Hello and welcome back. During this video we will show you how to effortlessly assemble and shape plastic tracks. VMS Styrene Cement is available in two types, fast and slow. We will be using the slow bonding type for this job. VMS Styrene Cements are modern cements with eco-friendly formula. They don't contain harmful volatile agents and have mild smell, offering very pleasant modeling experience. Let's assemble our tracks. Bring two links together and then apply the glue using a fine brush. The glue works by capillary action. You just need to let it slide off of the brush into the crevice between the links. Once the glue has been applied, press the links together to achieve a tight fit. If you feel it's necessary, you can apply more glue. More is always better than too little. We want a sturdy track after all. Initially make just 1/2 of the track, with 50% of links in that track. Alignment is crucial. Use a ruler or similar object to check if the track is straight. Check the alignment every 25 links. Thanks to the slow action of VMS Styrene Cement, the track will remain flexible for around 45 to 60 minutes. A track glued with standard cement would be stiff after this time. Start fitting first half of the track to the sprocket, as it demands the most attention. Mind the direction of the tracks. You can adjust the track as it was made of vinyl, but the track will remember shapes you give it once dry. Align the track with road wheels by placing the tank on your work table. Here we use cardboard as support to better show you the process. Make sure the cogs engage the track correctly and the fit is tight. Let's piece together the second half of the track. Once the track is ready, fit it over the idler wheel. Dry fit both track pieces, but do not glue the halves together. Make the track sag, as on the actual vehicle. The tracks can be modeled freely during 45 to 60 minutes or even a bit more. Once dry, they will remember the shapes you give them. As you can see, we are missing 4 links here. Let's add them. A complete track for one side. The idea is to have 2 halves that can be later painted and easily fitted to your model. When the tracks are painted and weathered, apply glue at these 2 points. We advise a super glue such as VMS Flexi 5K. Put the tracks on the model, make some final adjustments, and leave the tracks to dry. Track should be loose like so, since there will be added thickness to consider when you paint it. fit is nice and our track sag looks authentic. If tracks won't keep the desired shape, insert an object that will keep them down during drying. When you are happy with the result, leave the tracks to dry for 4 to 8 hours. After that time they will stiffen and can be painted. That's that. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.